Hi, this is Esther from Online Media Works. This is day 7 of Are You Looking to Grow Your Presence on LinkedIn? So just want to summarize what we've covered this week so far. So if you've missed anything, you can go back over the videos that you might have missed. So on day 1, we looked at personalizing your URL and we looked at why that was important. Day 2, I explained how you could check your SSI score, your social selling index, so that you've got a baseline number that you can then compare against week by week as we go through these tips to improve your LinkedIn profile. Day 3, we looked at updating your photo and your cover banner on LinkedIn. Day 4, we looked at creating your profile video, which if you remember, you have to do that from the app, not from your desktop. On day 5, we looked at creating a name pronunciation audio, and we looked at the different ways that you could use that, not just for name pronunciation. And then yesterday, we looked at how you can create a killer headline to really grab the attention of your target audience on LinkedIn. So today, day 7, I suggest that if you've done all of those things from day 1 to 6, you go back in today and you check your SSI score and see if it's increased. I would love to know whether it has, so please leave me a message underneath this video, and I will see you tomorrow.